The 22 faculties.
Mi na je lu yet on po on mo on so on ton dungal ton de.
There are 22 faculties: eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, and mind faculties, male, female, and life faculties.
Mi
Eye,
na
ear,
na
nose,
je
tongue,
lu
body,
yet
mind.
on
Mind faculties:
po on
male,
mo on
female,
so on
life faculties.
dungal ton de.
Pain, mental pain.
De don de ton yam on.
Pleasure, mental pleasure, and neutral faculties.
Tetsun tenting hirap on. Kunshi he don kunshi pa. Kunshi dembo ombo wo.
Faith, diligence, mindfulness, samadhi, and wisdom faculties. The faculties of making all understood, understanding all, and having understood all.
Deton.
Pleasure,
Yede.
mental pleasure,
Tonyam.
neutral.
Tepa.
Faith,
Tsumba.
diligence,
Temba.
mindfulness,
Tingzen.
samadhi,
Shirap ombo.
wisdom.
Kunshi shepa ombo.
The faculties of making all understood,
Kun shipa ombo.
understanding all,
Kunshi dembo ombo wo.
and having understood all.
Tedokin ronron ki.
These govern their respective function,
Lila onshi nyeto so. Omburat yewa tok. Yond temba yenshi sha.
obtention, loss, and so forth. Classifications of faculties should be known according to the explanations of the scriptures.
Ombu tsard tofayi.
Through the realization of these faculties' aspects,
Don yula dohur.
the delusion of clinging to an object-owning self,
Nzambo monso raponi chujitsalaki panjur.
being completely abandoned, one becomes learned in the Dharma tradition.